DVR.
This DVR. Connect the USB cable. Can you see? It's live. Now the file manager. See? Built-in USB driver. And now you see the DVR APK. Click and open. Now installing. Installed it. Now you can see the app. You will find a USB DVR. Open it. Traffic safety. Now you can see? You can see me? Very clear. Okay.